guys, welcome. So in this heap series of videos, this is my first video and where I will talk about full binary tree and complete binary tree before going into heap. So this knowledge about full binary tree and complete binary tree is required. So this is a kind of recap session, you can say. So before going to full binary tree or complete binary tree, we have to recap what was binary tree. So binary tree is a special data structure used for data storage purpose. And a binary tree has a special condition that each node can have a maximum of two children node. So this is a parent node you can see here, and this is a child node. This is a child node and this is another child node. So you can see here this node has two child nodes. So in binary tree maximum two child node is allowed. Nothing like that is allowed in binary tree. So here also if you see this is a parent node and this has two child node. One is 22, one is 24, and for 30 also the same thing is there. For a node, maybe there is no child node at all, or maybe one single child node also can be present, but that is also called as a binary tree. But in no scenario it is not possible that one parent node will have more than two child node. Then that will be not called as a binary tree. Now coming to full binary tree, how you will identify a tree is a full binary tree? That is, a binary tree is a full binary tree if every node has 0 or 2 children. That means if you look here, this node has 2 children. This node also has 2 children. This also has the same. And these leaf nodes, they have 0 children. So you can see here each and every node has either 2 children or 0 children. So then it is called as a full binary tree. Or we can say in another kind of definition, that is a full binary tree is a binary tree in which all nodes except leaf nodes have two children. So that is also satisfying here, right? So other than these leaf nodes, each and every node has two children. So this is a full binary tree. Now we will see few examples and we will get to know that this is a full binary tree or not. So look at this example that we already proved, right? This is a full binary tree. Okay. So this one. So this one, if you see here, here actually this node has two children, but this node has only one children. The right is missing. And this is not a leaf node also, right? That means this is not a full binary tree. Coming to this example. In this example, you can see the same thing. This node, this particular node has only one child. So here only it's a cross mark, means it is not also a full binary tree. This node, means sorry, this tree. So here you can see this 45, this root node has two children. This 40 has two children, and this 22, as it's the last node or you can say leaf node, that has no children, means 0 children. That is also fine as per definition, right? Means you should have either 0 or 2 children. This 24 also same thing, they have no children, that is 0, and this 30 also has 0 children. So this is also a full binary tree. So among all these 4 pictures, this one and this one is a full binary tree, not these two. Okay, now we will discuss what is a complete binary tree. A binary tree is a complete binary tree if all the labels are completely filled except possibly the last label, and the last label has all keys as left as possible. So first of all, we have to know what is label. So in this tree you can see this is one level, this is the next level, and this is the third level. So this tree has first, second and third, 3 level. So I can tell one tree as complete binary tree if from left to right if I go, then there should not be any missing node in between. That means this level nowhere to go. So this level is fine. So for this level, from left to right if I go, I can find all the nodes. This is also perfect. And this level, from left to right, all the nodes are present. That means this is a complete binary tree. Coming to this example, here from left to right every node is present. Here from left to right every node is present in this level. And this third level, from left to right, this node is missing. Then it is not actually a complete binary tree. For this example, this level, left to right everything is present. This example, left to right two nodes are present. For this example, from left to right, maybe these two nodes are missing, but in between nothing is missing. Here you can see 22 is present, then missing, then 11 and 19. In between this gap is there, this node is not present. But here 22, 24 is present, and after that two nodes are missing, so they are not in between. So that is actually also a complete binary tree. To understand it better, a complete binary tree can be represented as an array. So we will see next. See, for this binary tree, if I represent it as an array level by level from left to right, then it will look like something like this: 45, then 40, then 30, then 22, 24, 11 and 19. There is no gap. That means it's a complete binary tree. For this tree, if I represent, then 45, 40, 30, 22, then one missing, then 11 and then 19. So this gap actually I marked as a dash here. This is present in between in the array. That means it's not a complete binary tree. For this example, if I represent it as an array, then 45, 40, 30, 22, 24 and these two gaps. So you can see here these two gaps are after this array completion. That is not in between two number, right? That means this is also a complete binary tree. Okay, so you will see more examples. Okay, so one thing is clear here, right? So a complete binary tree can be represented as an array, and this is the entry point of heap. Okay, that we will see in our next lecture how this theory is actually helpful there. Okay, so if you see more examples here, for this tree, this is a, we will see both the combinations now. We will see it's a complete binary tree or a full binary tree. Which one? Okay, maybe both or maybe one of them. Okay, we can see. So first, it's a full binary tree or not, we can see. For full binary tree's definition, what we learned is each and every node either will have a 0 node or 2 node. So for 22 you can see only one node is present. This right side node is not present. For 29, 11, 19 it is okay because they have 0 nodes. Okay, then it's actually not full binary tree. Okay, but if you see here from left to right, level by level, if I go, then 45 is present, 40, 30 is present, 22, 29, 11, 19 is present, 17 is present leftmost, and right to that whatever node are missing, but that node is in between. Okay, means this complete tree you can represent as an array. So this is actually a complete binary tree but not a full binary tree. Okay, for this tree it is 45, 40 like that way it is present. So first we will check it's a full binary tree or not. So you can see here this 22 node has only one right child. Okay, that means it's not a full binary tree, because to be a full binary tree either 0 or 2 child node are allowed. Okay, so now we will check it's a complete binary tree or not. So if I go from left to right, level by level, 45 is present, then 40, then 30, 22, 29, 11, 19, first missing, but after that one value is present, means this missing is before the value. That means this is not a complete binary tree. Okay, so this is all about complete binary tree and full binary tree, and the heap which we are going to discuss is actually a complete binary trees example that we will see next. Hope you enjoy this video.